Morning, y'all. It's a Monday, starting the week over, heading into the office, about to see what's going down for the day. We're through a week, starting a new week. I want to appreciate everybody who has watched, liked, subscribed, shared, everything. It means a lot to me. Thank you guys. Dude in the box truck. We got some big stuff today, y'all. Woo! We couldn't fit everything on there. So, on to the next truck with like 4 pieces. This is our little parts and pieces, onesie twosie jobs. And then that big window. And all this stuff right here is going. So there's our 3 trucks. And we're off. We got 1 stop in Macon and 9 stops at Lake Oconee. The boys might do a stop before we get there because I'm heading to Macon and they're going to Lake Oconee and I'm gonna meet them up there. So we'll see what's in store for today, y'all. Welcome to Atlanta, where the traffic sucks and all these trucks trying to make the bucks. Looks like they're gonna be doing a new interchange right here at I-20 and 285. I don't know if you see that logo on the back of the Trailblazer. It's a straw hat and a beard. Shout out to Demon Jones, baby! Jones County. Made it to Mactown. I'll run over here and hit the gate real quick. Access granted. That's an odd speed limit of 23. Usually they go up in 5s. They like Michael Jordan. Back it up, back it in. Let me begin. Set it right up here on the left. Okay. The builder was kind of iffy about me filming the house and whatnot, so that's why you guys didn't see me unload and just do the hand truck thing. While I got it on the hand truck, I just hit record and let it roll. But yeah, we got done with stop 1. On the way to the next one. Dude in the box truck. Back in Jones County. Little subsidiary of Lake Sinclair. Pull up, give them my ID, tell them the address and all that good stuff so they'll let me in. I just pulled up. I'm gonna jump in here and see where they want them at. All right, door's open, so I guess that's where we're going. The homeowner said she wants them in the garage. I got 3 of them, so what I like to do is slide them down. All 3 at once. That way, I don't have to climb up and down this bad boy.
Write a big anchor, I guess.
Okay. Headed back to our Lake Oconee office. If you follow me and watch my videos, you'll notice that we'll be here a lot. Boss man likes to have us drop off some parts and pieces over here. Same with the mountains. You'll see that a lot too. If I would have thought about it on that last stop, I would have slid these bad boys up so I don't have to jump in the truck again. But that's all right. Following this nice little Porsche, booping across the lake. So the gate we were just at that I said I had to give you the address, or give them the address, we're at another spot and they own the same subdivision. So here I can just give them my slip from the previous subdivision. They'll just scan me in. We just pulled up to this bad boy. What's up, Genio? What's going down with you? Yeah, dude, it's humid out here, man. Muggy. Look at this bad boy.
Oh my God. You want to take this and do that way.
5 wide. That's a big boy. Say your heart, 3 stacks. Say your heart. Play your part, 3 stacks.
1, 2, 3.
Play your part.
That's about 10 more feet.
This is our last 5 wide. And those other ones are either 3 or 4 wide, I can't remember. And then we got these big ass doors. This is a beast of a job.
Little more. Right there, right there.
Oh, this is gonna be a sweet little deck. Got a fireplace right there. A nice little deck to come out to and say hey to your neighbors. I like it. I really like this porch, man. All right, the rest of the truck comes here. We got some onesie twosie crud. jump on this truck, y'all.
Slide then, baby. All right. Now which one we do?
Temperature today is 93 degrees. Well, it's a 90, what it feels like a 93. We did it. It's really hot out here today. I'll be glad when it hits September, October, November. Got a lot of cushion. Make up for it. We'll see y'all on the next stop. We got this one and one more stop in here. Then I'm gonna bust off from the crew and go do 2 more. And then go home. Yeah, yeah. The last stop at Reynolds Plantation.
No way.
All right. There's a little baby. Now, dang, look at all them solar panels on that guy's house, or girls, or whoever's. What's up, man? Let's see. That's a nice one. Real nice view. There's another one. Usually the gate's closed, but this one's open. Here's the next one. Hope my gate code works. So my boss told me that one of the houses we delivered burned down, and I was in the area, so I wanted to check it out. I figured it had been taped off, but it's not. Whoa, this is crazy. Wow. That's sad. Thankfully, they weren't moved in yet. Here it is right here. This round top. You gotta catch it before it rolls away. I don't see where it goes. Probably on the back. That's a pretty cove. It's real pretty. Oh look, they got a little chill house, probably a pool house going in. Well, that's the last stop, y'all. I gotta drive to the office. Appreciate y'all joining me. Wasn't a bad day, just really hot. Strap this in, shut it down, get in the AC. Thank you for joining the Dude in the Box truck.